Hello everyone, my name is Greg and I'm a lead designer for TrustCloud's TrustShare application. Welcome to my demonstration of the new TrustGraph feature currently housed in TrustShare. Today I'll walk you through some of the core functionality in TrustGraph and how it gives you a view into your compliance program. Let's get started. We'll begin with the overview, which visually represents the artifacts in your program and how they map to the different areas within TrustShare. Next, we'll navigate to the controls page. Here you'll find a list of all the controls in your program, as well as some additional information about each one. You can hover over each statement to see further information, or you can click the View Details and see the full statement here. You can also see some different information about each control. I want to draw some attention to the customer context row, as you can click on that and bring up information about where this control has been referenced in past questionnaires. So you have the customer name, the question that was asked, and then last time it was used. You can click on the last used to see that referenced questionnaire, or you can click on the customer column link and that will take you to that customer's company page. There are additional features for controls. You can copy the answer in case you need to get a quick reference or a bit of information to a prospect while on a sales call or for email. You can search your list of controls as well, and then filters on status as well as owner. Next, we'll navigate to the policies page. This has a list of all the policies in your program, and you can see a description as well as the owner last approved, and we do provide a link to that policy. So again, if you need a quick reference point for a prospect, this will copy a link and that will actually go to your TrustShare. Additionally, you can you can view details about that policy. And again, if there's places where it's been referenced in past questionnaires, they'll show up here. Right now, we don't have any information for this particular policy. Next, we'll head over to the knowledge base. And this is an aggregate view of all of the past answers that you have compiled within your security questionnaires. There's a status as well as last use. And again, if you click on the customer context, you can see the question that this answer was used with, as well as the customer, any comments, and then again, you can reference that said questionnaire by clicking on that link here in the details panel. We provide the ability to copy that answer, so if you need a quick reference, you can do that, as well as the ability to archive. Archived answers can be unarchived at any time, but they are taken out of your pre-fill bucket and will not be used. You can also archive and unarchive answers in bulk. Last, we'll head over to the company profile page. Here, you can see a representation of all the values that you added to your company profile under the Manage My TrustShare company profile page. Again, these values are going to be referenced in your questionnaires, so you can copy them, edit the answer to change the value, and then again see any details that you can see about that. And there you have it. With TrustGraph, you can see artifacts in your compliance program and how they're being referenced and utilized with your different customer opportunities. You can have a quick reference to information about different artifacts that can be shared with prospects, and see a working visualization of how these different artifacts are mapped within TrustShare. Hope you've enjoyed the demonstration, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.